Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with simpleroptions.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to share some ideas with you that I've been looking at for this week's butterflies or short straddles, depending on how you want to look at it. The short straddles are usually the strategy that, of course, will have more risk, but also gives you a little bit better probability of profit. But for those of you that are still looking to do the risk-defined side of this, this is a very important aspect of it. So the two of these that I'm going to look at today are Facebook and Nvidia, both of which are trading very close to 150, but you can really start to see the impact of implied volatility. So when we look at Facebook, we can see that it's trading 68 cents away from 150, and the idea is that over the course of the next day or next 3 days, between the witching expiration and the Fed on Wednesday, the price will oscillate in between 150 and ultimately pin near that strike. You can see that the 150 call is trading for $1.64 and the put there at 89 cents. So it gave us the opportunity to put a couple of these on. On the $5 wide iron fly, we were able to take in 230. On just the short straddle, you're able to make 420. But the big difference between the two is come over and take a look at Nvidia. So we're trading very close to 150 here as well, but you have a much larger expected move, which implies more implied volatility, which implies a higher credit on these positions. So as you look at the iron fly here, you can sell the exact same spread with the exact same concept and take in a much better credit. So as you try to decide which of these is better to do, I like focusing on those that offer the better credit, because by making the better credit, you give yourself a higher probability of making cash and at the same time limit your risk. So I've got both of these on. Another way that you can do this is through an unbalanced fly. We've talked about these a lot in various situations, and these can be great trades as you approach a witching or monthly expiration. So I hope those two give you a couple ideas to put on here over the course of the next 3 days. I also wanted to make sure that you are aware of the weekly Wires from Wall Street course that John's going to be doing this Saturday. Now, the class will be getting started on Saturday, and it'll go over some of the strategies that John has been using to consistently wire profits out of his account, and it's always important to pay yourself first. So I'm looking forward to it. I hope you find the analysis helpful, and we'll talk to you in the next free video.